Now in this video, what I'm going to do is first off, I'm going to show you how you can add pictures. You can upload some pictures into your WordPress site, and then how we can add pictures from within posts or pages. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to click over here. See where it says Upload Insert Media? I want to click on that, okay? And then I'm going to choose from a media library. I'm sorry, I'm choosing from a computer. So I'm going to click Select Files. Okay, and I'm going to go into my pictures. And I'm going to just choose some images that I want to insert. Okay, it's going to grab those 3 pictures that I just chose, and it's going to go ahead and upload them. Okay, I click on Save All Changes. Now that I have done that, what I can do, now that they're in my media library, I can go ahead and I'm going to choose from a gallery, or I could choose from the media library. I'm going to show this, and what I'm going to do is it's going to say, first off, I can choose to put in some alternate text, and it's always a good idea to put in, keyword driven text. So I'm going to go kitty pictures. I can add a description. I can have the link URL. I can decide how big I want it. I want it a large, and I want it centered, okay? And I want to insert this into the post. You just click Insert into Post, and you can see that my picture was now added into the post. If I click on Update or into this page, if I click Update and then update this page, you'll see that my kitty was added in there. You can see the little comment down below. That was what I wrote in there, cute kitty. Like I said, that could be anything at all you wanted. Now, what you can also do now is if you don't like something about the picture, you can still go ahead and edit it. So just go ahead and click on Edit Image. I can change very cute kitty. I can size it down if I want. I thought maybe that was just a little bit too big. We'll size it down a little bit. We can change the link. We can make that link, right now it's just going to the image itself, but if we wanted to, we could link that to any place. We could link it to another website, an affiliate offer, anything like that. So then I just go ahead and click on Update, and then update the page. And then once we refresh this, you'll see now it says very cute kitty. All right, and if we do click on the image, it just brings us to a larger image. All right, this one is a little, it's a little out of focus, but you get the idea. All right, so that's how you add an image to your WordPress pages or posts. It's both both of them are the exact same way. All that you need to do is go ahead and click on the Upload Insert, add in your images, and you're all set. All right, I will see you in the next video.